So who am I? Who am I, guys? Root. Who mean how many users are connected? Guys, this is the black screen. This is the shell prompt. How do you know which OS is installed on this machine, guys? What is the command to check which OS is installed on this machine? Guys, yesterday we already discussed. What is the command? So if it is a Windows, we can see like this is the Windows. But in Linux, everything is the black screen, right? So it's a shell prompt. How do you figure out which OS is installed on this machine? Yesterday I discussed already. Cat /etc red hat hyphen release. So this command will work for Red Hat flavored OS, Oracle Linux, Amazon Linux, Red Hat Linux, CentOS Linux, Fedora Linux, so all these Linuxes. So it will work. But if you want to, so if you want to work on the other than these Red Hat flavors, how we can check? We can check by using cat/etc OS hyphen release. Cat/etc OS hyphen release. Guys, understood? This is the CentOS and Ocean is this. Okay. Yeah. Now you understood. So cd slash. Yeah. Guys. So how do you figure out? How do you figure out? So what is a file? What is a directory? What is a file? What is a directory? Guys, how do you figure out? So in Windows, there is a GUI, right? It will be easy to figure out. So in the yellow color, the folder will be created. Something like this is the, so this is a file. We can get it. We can identify it. But here, how we can identify if it is a file or directory? Guys, how you can identify if it is a file or directory? Yeah. So the command is something like so ls is nothing but a list of files and directories. What that is, guys? So list of files and directories. L is nothing but a list of files and directories. Understood? Yeah. So list of files and directories. But here, so we cannot see what is a directory, what is a file. So LL is the command. LL is nothing but a long list. It will show the if it is a file or a directory or a link file. Okay. If it is a file, directory or a link file by using LL command, guys. Right. The starting letter L is nothing but a link file. This is the link file. And D is nothing but a directory. This is the directory. And hyphen is nothing but a, what is this? So hyphen is nothing but a file. So the starting letter hyphen is nothing but a file. The starting letter D is nothing but a directory. The starting letter L is nothing but a link file. The starting letter L is nothing but a link file. Guys, understood? Yeah. So what is the command, guys? So ls is nothing but a ls command. So what is the ls command? Ls command. So we can use ls command to list out all the files and directories. All the files and all the files and directories present in the given given directory. So we can get manual documentation for any command using skies. So we can get manual documentation for any command by using man. Okay, by using man command. For example, man ls. You see the documentation of the man. Ls is nothing but a list of directories, list the directory contents. So ls options, file. So hyphen all is nothing but a enter all the entries. Examples we can see. Okay, hyphen version help. So we can see it. So before it is showing the examples also, right? So these all are the options. ls hyphen l. L is nothing but a use log listing format. A is nothing but a hidden folder. So A is nothing but a hidden folders files, and it will list hidden folders files. I will show you that component. So it will show the, yeah, it will show all these lists ls hyphen lrt, right? These are the, these are the options. These are the options. Okay. So this is the, if you press the q, it will quit guys. So whatever you want, you can use the man command. So man ls, it provides a complete information about the command. So various options of a ls command. So what is ls? So ls, it will display all the files and directories according to the alphabetical order and for names. Alphabetical order of the names. ls hyphen r. R is nothing but it will display all the files and directories in a reverse of alphabetical order. Reverse of alphabetical order. Something like right. ls hyphen l. ls hyphen lrt. ls hyphen lrt reverse format. So ls hyphen la. It will display the list of hidden files and directories also. ls hyphen l. Okay, it will display the long list files. Ll is nothing but a long list. So guys understood? So these are the, T is nothing but a, it will display the based on the last modified date and time. So ls hyphen T. So it will display the that modified files. ls hyphen a. ls hyphen a. So ls hyphen a means a means all. It will display the all files including hidden files, and all will be displayed. All is nothing but a is nothing but a ls hyphen la. List all. So list all means it will display the hidden files and all the files it will display. Hidden files, normal files, everything. Okay. Guys understood?
Okay, sir.
Yep, very good, guys. Thank you. So this is nothing but a ls command. Okay. Yeah. So what are the commands we discussed as of now? So what is that? PWD. PWD is nothing but a present working directory. ls is nothing but a list of files and directories. Okay. ll is nothing but a long list. Okay. Who am I? Who am I means who is log. So who is logged in? So who means how many users are logged in, and so you see guys, so one route has a git bash, through git bash we connected. So other one is through putty, other one is through shell, other one is through virtual machine, right? So how do you know the OS? So cat slash etc red hat hyphen release, cat slash etc OS hyphen release. Okay. And how do you check the kernel version? How do you check the kernel version? So uname hyphen R is the option to check the kernel version. To check the kernel version. Right, guys? Okay. So pwd cat slash etc red hat hyphen release. Okay. Cat slash etc os hyphen release. So OS hyphen release. Yeah, guys. How do you figure out if it is a file or directory? So the starting letter hyphen is nothing but the starting letter hyphen is nothing but while executing the ll command, starting letter hyphen is nothing but
Link.
file. The starting letter D is nothing but the directory. The starting letter L is nothing but a link file. The starting letter L is nothing but a link file. For example, hyphen rwx, 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 root. root to array.txt. What is the starting letter, guys? Hyphen is nothing but a file. So hyphen D RWX RWX RW hyphen root to root to. So blujaytech is the directory. Okay. So hyphen D is nothing but a directory. Hyphen D is nothing but a directory. The starting letter, the starting letter L. L is nothing but a link file. So for example, blujay is linked to slash etc blujay. Okay. So this is nothing but a link file. This is a directory. This is a file.